The loan amount was $3,400, and the rate of interest was 29.5% interest.
He came up with that. He also came up with the additional causes in 5. He wrote those himself.
Did you come up with 29.5% interest?
No, that doesn't even make any sense. I think she might have plugged that in automatically or something.
So 29.5% is over the limit of what they call usury.
Like I mentioned, I'm not good with math. He came up with the contract himself. When we showed up to the notary, they printed it out and I signed it.
One of the things you agreed to was full access and rights to your bank account. Did you think that that meant that she could take money out whenever she wanted?
No.
Did you think it meant that you could take money out whenever you wanted?
Yes.
For any purpose?
Yes.
So why would he agree to that?
Because he was living under my roof. Rent-free, bill-free, food-free. I would do his laundry. I would cook for him. I would clean up after him. If he needed any hygiene products, I would buy them.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and open this up to my colleagues.
I think you said in one of your texts, your lies and your manipulation caused me to bring a life into this world that I cannot support. Are those your words? Mm-hmm. And essentially, that's what this case is about. This money that you agreed to pay did two things. It got you out of a jam on your job because you came up $3,400 short and you had to account for it. She gave you that, and you got yourself out of that jam. And this money was for the support of the child that you had together. So what is your defense to this, given...
Well, the amount is in question, I feel. If you look at the date and when the payments were taken out of my account, you'll see that there was like $3,500 that was taken out within less than 15 days. So I made $5,000 that month, and $3,500 went to her. One of them shows the transaction went to her account, and the other one shows it went to rent. So that balance shouldn't be at that amount. That's the biggest thing I have in question.
So are you saying that she misused the money?
I'm saying that the money that I gave her, she used it for whatever she used it for. I feel like she put the $1,700 back in her account and the $1,600 went towards rent.
The provision in the contract doesn't say that she needs your permission
to
take anything out of your account.
I do understand that, Judge. That's not the issue that arose. The problem that arose was because she accused me of stealing. When she accused me of stealing, she took the money, and then I paused the account. And she never gave me my money back.
But that's an issue separate from your legal obligation.
Correct. What I'm saying is that 184 had nothing to do with the rent.
As a matter of fact, the 184 was money that he had previously owed me when we were supposed to get an apartment in November. I put down $300, a holding deposit. He said he would pay me back in full.
Was this before your baby?
No. This was in November. The baby was born in September.
What was he like when you were dating, before the child?
It was horrible. We didn't even date. I don't even think you could call it dating.
So you saw flags way before even bringing a child into this world?
I sure did. I'm gullible. I'm a fool. I admit that. I just want to get my money, get it out of the way. He could go on about his way. Like, I don't have a problem raising my child on my own. If he wants to help me watch the baby on the weekends, I appreciate that. It's helped me out a lot. That's all I'm going to ask for him, the weekends.
I think we understand both of your positions. We're going to excuse the parties while we deliberate in this matter. Thank you both very much. We have a verdict. It's not unanimous, but the verdict of the court, as far as Judge Tewalder and I, is that the plaintiff has prevailed in her case. Her interest is somewhat excessive. We've reduced the interest to $300. Judge Juarez feels that the agreement did not permit the unlimited access to the defendant's funds in the bank, and that some of the withdrawals that you made went beyond the boundaries of the contract, and she would deduct $300 from that amount that we have awarded you. So the verdict is in favor of the plaintiff for $3,700. Thank you.